Mihai asks, with the advent of medical technology, will we be able to live forever? Mihai, this is a huge question in biology. And the answer is, well, we're not really sure, but some biologists think the first immortal may be watching this very video. We're different than, say, robots.
Hello, my name is Methuselah.
With a robot, you've got a body with moving parts. But of course, these can wear out over time and be replaced. With our parts, yes, we are actually replacing them all the time. But our cells seem to undergo something called senescence, which is sort of a programmed aging. If you consider that an 18-year-old has already replaced their skin dozens of times, and their skin is healthy. With my skin, it actually seems to be programmed to become less robust as I age. And this is true of all of the tissues in our body. Now, scientists are still wrestling as to why exactly this happens, and there are several competing hypotheses. But even if we could solve this, and our bodies could be sort of young for hundreds and hundreds of years, we will face the inevitable elephant in the room, which is cancer. The problem isn't just in replacing our cells and tissues as we go. After all, if Methuselah's tissue here gets too old, we can just slap on a new bit, and it will be fresh and new, and conceivably, the robot could go on forever.
Thank you, Greg. That feels much better.
With biological specimens, however, our cells are based on instructions, genetic instructions, and these suffer damage with every generation. And the next cell that is built is based on these broken instructions. Therefore, over time, even if the cells didn't have senescence, where they were programmed to get older, they will be based on faultier and faultier instructions, which will lead to ever-increasing damage and more likelihood of cancer. We can actually mitigate this damage to some extent, and some creatures like naked mole rats are brilliant at it. They can live way longer than a small rodent should be able to. We're still working out the details of how that happens. But the short answer to your question, Mihai, is that even if I can retain the look of a 56-year-old for 156 years, I may still be acquiring an ever-increasing rate of cancers. Until next time, Methuselah here is reminding you that between the question and the answer are all of the really tasty bits.
Also, please like and subscribe.